Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the factorization of polynomial expression. We have covered already in last class few types of polynomial expression for factorization, just like common terms in all, common in all terms, common in pair terms, common in basically perfect square and difference of two square. Today we will learn about the perfect square and difference of two square combination. If we have like this equation, just like you can see on the screen, a square plus minus 2ab plus b square and minus c square. If we have like this type of expression, so how we can solve it this expression? So today we will learn about this. Is very simple. You can solve it like this way. Like you can make a pair first, a plus or minus b whole square minus c square. This is now making a perfect square. And now you can solve it like this way, a plus minus b plus c or a plus minus b minus c, right? So this can be solved like in this way. So today we will solve some example in this type, like perfect square and difference of two square combination. So we are following here is class 9 syntax book and unit number 4.1, question number 7. So you can see on the screen like this is question number 7, which is find the factor of these type of questions. So we will solve three questions here. You can solve you can follow any other book because the question and the method is same, but question may be different. So first we will take question number 7. In question number 7, we have part 1. Part 1 is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared and minus 9z4, right? So now first we will make like this one is perfect square. So what we will do here, we will make x is basically here, x is a and a is x and the b is y. Now we will put the value here is x plus y the whole square is equal to x plus y whole square is x squared plus 2x y and plus y squared. Now we will give a reference here like a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab and plus b square, right? Now we will solve like this way, x plus y whole square minus 3z squared over square. So now it's making a difference of 2 square. So we will solve it by using formula a plus b. Now a is x plus y and the b is 3z squared. So we will apply a formula here, x plus y plus 3z squared x plus y minus 3z squared, right? So this is the answer of this question, right? So I hope you understand. Now we will solve it. Other question. Question number 2 is we will solve it, or maybe question number 3. So I think we will solve question number 3 here because it's same, like question 1 and 2 are same. So you can solve question number 2 as well. So question number part 3 is 16 d4 minus c की power 4 minus 2 c square d plus d square, right? So now we will solve it like this way. So first 4 d square over square is here, and now we will make is a and b. A is c की power 2 and the b is d, simply. So now we will make like c square minus d whole square. So this is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Now we will make this way 4d square minus c square, and we will make like this is minus sign, so we have to make a bracket here d and use the curly bracket, and after that we will first make it a plus here. Okay, now we will make like a is here is 4d square and b is here c square minus d. So now we will put the formula is difference of 2 square here. So 4d square plus and c square minus d is one factor, and other factor is 4d square minus c square and minus minus plus d. So this is another factor. So this is the factorization of this question. I hope you understand this question. If you will see again this part, so you will learn how we solve this question. Minus 4x minus 2y plus 3, right? This is a little bit complex, but first what we will do here, we will arrange it in a way like this way, like we will break this term. First, we will keep the common terms, like here we have x square and we have the minus 4x. We will keep here, and after that we will write like y square minus 2y. Now here is 3. So we must break this 3 in a form like we have two perfect square formula. So first we will make here is we can say 1, and what about the 2? Okay, now we have to break these 3. Now we will simplify question number 5. Question number 5 is little bit tricky. We have to make pair first here. So first we will arrange like same terms like x square minus 4x, and after that y square and minus 2y. But this is incomplete because it cannot be make any perfect square. We have to arrange like in this way we are get the perfect square term. So here we have 3. So we can write like there is 4 minus 1 which is equals to 3. So this term is equals to 4 minus 3. Because why we do here, we want to make here two perfect square. Why we did this? Because we want to make here two perfect squares. So first we will arrange like this way, like we will solve it like x square minus 4x, and after that we will give 4 here, and here we have y square minus 2y and minus 1, right? And after that we will make a bracket here like x square minus 4x plus 4. This is one part, and minus we will take common here. So y square plus 2y plus 1 here is another part. So first this is a equation of perfect square. Now here is x is a and b is 2, right? B equals to 2 and x is a equals to x. So we can write like this way, x minus 2 is square. Then after that y plus 1 whole square, right? So this is a and this is b, right? And now we can make, okay, yeah, here we will give a reference so that you can learn like how we can change these terms, right? Now we will arrange like this is a and this is b. So now we can apply here difference of two square formula, which is like a is here. What is difference of two formula? A square minus b square equal to a plus b and multiply by a minus b. So now x minus 2 is A, and after that we have plus sign, and y plus 1 is B. Now we will make a curly bracket. So this is one factor of it. And after that we have x minus 2 minus y plus 1, right? So this is other factor. Now we can simplify it in this way: x minus 2 plus y plus 1, and x minus 2 minus y minus 1, right? And after that, we will simplify x plus y minus 1 and x minus y minus 3, right? So this is the answer of this question. So I hope you understand how we can solve this question. And this is from today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share with others so they can learn how we can solve factorization of using the combination of perfect square and difference of two square method. We will meet in next class in another topic. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.